The GOAT. For those of you who don't know what the acronym GOAT means, it means greatest of all time. Some people say Michael Jordan is the GOAT. Some say Tom Brady's the GOAT. To others, Michael Jackson is the GOAT. And my personal favorite, Muhammad Ali, is on a whole nother level. These people are all great in their respective fields. These people have perfected their craft to the point where they make an extremely difficult job look easy. That's what makes up a GOAT. When it comes to these YouTube streets, there are GOATs here also. This particular GOAT just happens to be one of my favorite YouTubers. MTR. This dude does his reviews with such grace and style, yet doing it with intelligence, whether he's wearing a beanie or a blazer, a hoodie, or some hard shoes. The message remains the same. He smacks us in the face with a hard dose of reality. He made the risky decision to leave corporate America and go full-time hard on his YouTube channel, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews. With over 300,000 followers, MTR chooses to use his channel as a call to action for men to wake up, expose the BS and hypocrisy going on in America, and show men how being a simp will keep men losing. Here's 5 reasons why I call MTR the GOAT. But first, you know I gotta give you a little montage about Thailand. This is Zoom to Thailand. You dig? Let go.
Me do my two-step.
Zoom Tribe! Alright, y'all know what to do. Hit the subscription button, hit the like button, bang that bell, and let me get back to MTR. He did a review on my channel, and I was asleep. But when I woke up in the morning, I went from like 4,000 subscribers to damn near 20,000 subscribers. Willie D did a review. Worldstar did a review. Melly Monaco did a review. It was crazy. And I owe it all to this man. Check out what he said to get things popping off.
There's probably gonna be a lot of modern women that will hate this video. And this is my message to y'all. You right now feel some type of way about this video because you know they exhibit a better option for a man. Information and knowledge is power. Giving men information and knowledge that other options exist shouldn't piss you off unless you aren't the best option.
I gotta be honest, y'all. I didn't know I was gonna have this type of effect on people's lives.
Whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing right now.
I didn't realize that a lot of men were going through the same frustrations I was having.
The information that we're about to go over in the remainder of this video may change your life.
So when my cousin Duke sent me the link,
y'all already know what time it is. It is time to get active.
The energy from MTR drew me in right away. I was like, is he talking about me? Yeah, he is talking about me.
YouTube channel that we will be reviewing today is called Zoom to Thailand. This is the first time on the channel that we're getting the information from a brother. I'm gonna say this right now. I'm gonna call it before we even get started in the video, because by the end of this video, not only are you gonna be interested in getting your passport, but also you might reconsider your citizenship.
Man, he ain't never lied. Ever since he did this review, my emails have been flooded. People want to move out here, people want to visit, people want everything. They want the experience because of what this man said. Anyway, get back to what you were saying, MTR. Sorry to cut you off. And by the way, Patreon, I'll see y'all, man. Y'all see what I'm doing. Shout out to my Patreon. Appreciate y'all.
Without further ado,
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Anyway, y'all know what happened after that, man. The grits thing took off, and now everybody's talking about grits and how I went to Thailand to bring a girl back to the USA, which is absolutely cap. But anyway, I roll with the narrative. But I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why I think MTR is the GOAT. Had nothing to do with me. Reason number 1, he beat cancer.
a few months back, I noticed that there was a nodule or like a lump on my right testicle. Results came back and it's cancer, and we're gonna have to remove your right testicle. I don't know if it has spread. Hopefully I caught it early enough, but you get caught up in life. You get caught up in the highs, the lows, the wins, the losses. You just keep going forward. You keep working. You keep executing. You keep showing the work. You keep showing those receipts. You keep going.
And that's exactly what he did. You know how brave it is to have to tell somebody you about to lose one of your nuts? He did that as a cautionary tale to let people know if you have any problems or you think you have problems, go get yourself checked out, y'all. That's what this was about. That took a lot of balls, no pun intended. Reason number 2, he was raised by a single father, which goes to show when we take care of our kids, the options are limitless what they can turn out to be. Reason number 3, not only are his reviews entertaining, but you learn something.
This content came from content creator Sneeko, which he was interviewing women about how to view women. The conversation of catcalling came up. He was having a great conversation out in the streets of New York and came across this modern day feminist. And I thought that the conversation was ripe for dissection because it shows so many of the attitudes and behaviors exemplified by the ideologies pushed by modern day feminists, which make women subconsciously hate men.
You walk away with a few nuggets of information that could improve your life. Reason number 4, he's not one-sided. Even though he's pro-brothers and us getting our stuff together, he also gives a balanced opinion about women as well. He's even had a couple women on his show. One in particular that can get it. Reason number 5, he's been on the front line with the youth since way before Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews was even a channel. So for these reasons, this is why I say MTR is the GOAT.
Students spent the day giving back. The campus organization, Minority Male Leadership Association, held its first symposium focused on the success of city high school students. The group is hoping to make an impact through mentoring and self-motivation.
Welcome. We're going to be talking about from the block to the boardroom.
Teaching students the image of success.
So the first thing that every man needs to know how to do, no matter race, creed, color, or religion, is how to tie a tie.
How to tie a tie. Now let's be honest, guys. How many of our youngsters actually know how to tie a tie? Even if you never plan on wearing a suit, at some point in life, you will need to wear a suit, get your bread up, and you definitely will need to know how to tie a tie. You dig? I want to give a shout out to MTR and give him his flowers. I also want to thank him for the big boost he gave to Zoom to Thailand and getting us active in these YouTube streets. Make sure you check out his channel, Mediocre Tutorials and Reviews, so you can go through his entire library and see the genius in his work. Shout out to my subscribers, my Patreon members, and all those that support the channel. Questions, thoughts, and comments? Drop it in the box. Y'all know what I'm about to say next, right? Theme music!
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. it, let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Still serious about coming out here? Well, Zoom to Thailand is hooked up with crazyandfearlesstravel.com. Check out the executive membership. For $200, all you have to do is pay for your transportation, and you can get up to a 7-day hotel stay worth up to 3 G's, depending on where you stay. Not just in Thailand, but other places such as Italy, Mexico, Spain, and Dubai, just to name a few. Once you purchase your membership, you just have to pay your resort fees and taxes, of course, and that's it. If you want to travel throughout the US, Canada, or anywhere else, no matter what's happening in the world, you have up to 18 months to use it. Y'all been asking and we've been listening. Search, compare, and save on flights and hotels just like you would on Expedia and Priceline, except we send you up-to-date info in our newsletter every month. Zoom to Thailand at crazyandfearlesstravel.com, where we offer you peace, love, and safe travels.